This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Steurenberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now at Elbilmek and behind me here you see a Kia Soul first generation. This car belongs to Elbilmek and they have a problem with the battery. So I'm gonna test now how it is and then they're gonna repair it. And then I will test again and see how it is after repair. So yeah, you know that the first gen Soul, they have troublesome, not so good chemistry, battery chemistry. And then the design of some of the modules, they are supposed to stack on top of each other, I think maybe in the back. And then it results that some cells gets hotter than others, and over time, maybe especially if you fast charge a lot, then some cells goes bad and then the whole battery pack is then also pulled down by that. So that is a quick explanation what is going on with these batteries. The 30 kilowatt hour Soul, the next generation, is a lot better. It has a better chemistry and then not so many failures. But here, oh, this is better. Car been charged to 100%, as good as 100% at least. Voltage seems okay. We have battery current power here, not much going on there. Discharge power 90 kilowatt, right? Battery is coal, min and max cell. Wow, state of health is reported to be only 60 to 72. Oh, okay, so I have to expect maybe around maybe 12, 13 kilowatt hour, right? So let's not run out of juice. Okay, you guys know the procedure. We're gonna reset some stuff here and then we start driving. Wow, I noticed that the battery temperature is going up quite quickly. See, we had around 0 degrees. We already are at 10 degrees and we discharge only roughly a quarter of the battery. So sounds like once we are down deep, then the battery temperature should be well over 20 degrees Celsius maybe. We'll see. Alright, we're down to 49%. And things look a little bit weird here. You see, we have driven 53 kilometers and we have 30 kilometers left. So, we used half the battery, but it should be 50 kilometers left, right? Because at the bottom it's not linear. It will drop faster towards the end. So, yeah, based on the consumption here, it seems like we have roughly 10, we have used 10 kilowatt hour left. And then we might have another 6 kilowatt hour to go then. So we'll see, but we better head back now towards the fast charger. Oh shit, suddenly we have turtle mode and we have 30 kilowatt power limit at 31%. This is some scary shit. I was like, are we still fine? I hope so. Well, right now I'm not sure. I don't want to run out of juice. I have no protection with me. Okay, we just have to get over to the fast charger. We have to bail out now. Pull out, pull out. Low terrain, pull out. Whoop, 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 whoop. Shit. Okay, all right. But you see, this is really scary because we have 19 kilometers of range, you know, that's still plenty. We have what looks like 30%, which should be plenty, but no, it's not. We are in freaking limp mode now. Let's hope I don't run out of juice right in the middle of rush hour here, 2 in the afternoon. Oh man, suddenly I just noticed that we have 6 kilowatt power limit. This is super scary. The scariest part is that if you look here, it looks like we have 29% battery, right? Yeah, and it seems like we have 18 kilometers of range and just regular turtle mode. No, this is scary. You don't want to drive further. Wait. Did we run into ladders down then? Shit. Okay, I need to charge over here. Come on. I need to get something here. This is it. We cannot proceed. It's not safe to drive. I could not maintain 90 kilometers per hour on the motorway even. So we have to pull out now. And then let's calculate how many kilowatt hour we got out of this. Okay, so based on the consumption here, multiplied by the distance, we have 15 kilowatt hour left. And then do we count the remaining 18 kilometers of range and also the 29%? 9, we do not count that because we have 6 kilowatt power limit. I'm trying to explain to you what it feels like to drive it. It's like, it's just crawl mode. The car can barely just maintain some speed. If it's flat, if it's uphill, it's going to go dog slow. Like, I don't know, 10, 20 kilometers per hour on the motorway. You don't want to do that. So yeah, I need to check some stats here, by the way. Wait, this is problematic. 3.14 volt, cell 91. The other ones, lots of them are 3.4, but there's one 3.14. That's low. There's actually quite a big spread. No, this is another one. Yeah, cell 96 again. I wonder if it has something to do with the thermal design, that this has gotten more heat than the other, and then it degrades more. So yeah, 3.0. Yeah, so that's a pretty big gap between 3.08 versus 3.4. So this is why the BMS like, hey, wait, some of the cells are low. We have to cut out even though the other cells are good. So yeah, let's plug in and see what we get then. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, the battery did heat up quite a lot. This could indicate that maybe this battery has degraded all over the pack, not just one or two bad cells, and that we have higher internal resistance. Therefore, the heat up is faster. But let's see now. We're getting at least 42 kilowatt, but we should get this high speed for not too long until it throttles. So let's see when it throttles. Normally, if the battery is healthy, we should get like 42 plus kilowatt until around 70%, but that's not going to happen over here. Yep, you see, at 58%, it started throttling. We managed to get over 40 kilowatt, at least until this point. So this is also another indication that the battery is kaput. So I think I tested enough. I have to hand it over to Valdemar so he can do his magic, or actually, can he actually do something here? We shall see. We are back at Elbilmek, and man, I totally forgot, man. Yeah, when the battery is low, I forgot to see that the min voltage here was how low it was versus the max here. So I had to look at the clip previously and then find out. That was the easiest way to find out which the min cell was. But yeah, okay. So anyway, that will be the first part of this series. And yeah, I'm eager to see if Valdemar can fix anything here. If it's just one cell or a few cells he can replace, or if the whole battery pack is bad. But one thing I noticed, by the way, is that, okay, so we did heat up the battery while we, well, let me see here, can you see the temperature? You see 28 to 39. We did heat up the battery while we were driving, but also did heat up when we were charging. So I wonder if this is, I don't know, is it unusually high temperature increase? Maybe I should compare against the other test I did, but it was a little bit colder. Yeah, now it's plus 3 degrees Celsius. But even though the temperature is a bit higher, it shouldn't affect the battery heat up that much. So yeah, we will see. I have to analyze the data and see what I find out. But anyway, this is going to be part 1, and then we'll wait for part 2 some other time then. So that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.